So we were kind of in an animal trail type area, and now we're going back onto a human path. And we are actually going to turn around pretty quick because because this eventually leads to the river. So we're staying away. And then it is also time to head back. So I imagine, let's see what time it is. Yeah, it's 1:20 right now. So by the time we head back, it'll probably be 1:45, 1:50, somewhere's there. Half an hour to 40 minutes, depending on our pace. And they're not moving towards me. They're like, but that's going back. That's going back, Gabby. And we don't want to go back yet. Here comes Joe. Good girl, Joe. Good girl, buddy. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna head back, guys. Good job. Good girl, Joe. She's pretty curious about Chewy because he's so active and he's just kind of everywhere and he disappears and reappears. Good girl, Joe. Aww, there's a couple of buddies. Hello, guys. Hello. Aw, hello, guys. Yeah, yours too. Aw, that one's pretty timid, hey? That one? Yeah. Aw, have a good walk. Thanks. Good girl, Joe. Oh, and here comes Chewy, ripping through the bushes. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, buddy. Good job, Chewy. He's probably looking for a treat. Hey, Chewy. He's like, yeah, usually you dole out one or two along the walk. Yeah, the cloud formations are kind of funny. It's like there's some dark clouds with some light clouds with some blue skies. And so literally there's just scattered showers. Like I'll walk for a few minutes and then there'll be some drizzles. And then the next few minutes there'll be nothing. Interesting weather today. Good girl, Joe. Oh, and there's always helicopters in this area. I don't know why, but practically every walk I will see helicopters. Yeah, it's kind of funny. So I don't know what it is about this area. Like, I don't know if it's, you know, like close to an air base. Or they're just touring helicopters. Who knows? I don't know. I just know, yeah, it's kind of odd. Like every walk I see at least 2 or 3 helicopters are here and see them. Good boy, Chewy. I think one time there was this dog at the dog park that heard it and was barking at it. Isn't that insane? Yep. Good boy, bud. Oh, do you need some water, Chewy? You sound like you're needing water, Chewy. I have water for you, bud.